Hi guys, this is Tej here. Welcome back to our channel New Tech World. Today I will show you how to use your computer monitor as a TV or even as a smart TV. Is it possible? So let's check out the whole video till end to know how to convert your monitor as a smart TV. For this demo purpose I am going to use one BenQ monitor. So you can see in this monitor HDMI ports are also available and one audio output aux port is available. From this HDMI port you can connect your Chromecast or Airtel set-top box or DTS boxes using HDMI cables, and from aux cable you can connect your home theater or your speakers for the audio purpose. Generally, computer monitors are having 4 types of port for connecting PC and other devices: HDMI, DVI, VGA, and now display ports are also coming in the many monitors. You can see that HDMI port looks like this. This is a VGA port. For connecting HDMI port, you need this HDMI to HDMI cable. For connecting VGA port, you need this VGA cable. And some monitors are also having DVI port. For connecting DVI you need this DVI cable, and some monitors having that display port. For connecting display port you will need display to display type of cable. First I will show you by connecting the one DTS set-top box, Airtel set-top box with the monitor, that how to use your computer monitor as a TV by using DTS set-top box. For connecting your DTS set-top box with the computer monitor, you need to connect first HDMI cable to your DTS set-top box and monitor. You can see I have connected the from HDMI cable this monitor to DTS set-top box using aux cable. Now I will connect the audio output port of the this monitor and other port to the my home theater system. You can also use your computer speakers or any other type of speaker by connecting these aux cables. Now I will start the DTS set-top box to check it is working or not. So from the remote I have started the set-top box. The video has come. Now check the audio. Okay, audio is also working. Now change some channel. Okay, so you can see now this monitor has completely converted into the TV. Now I will show you how to use your monitor as a smart TV. For this purpose I am going to use Chromecast. So I have connected the one Chromecast device with the HDMI input of this monitor. This Chromecast is connected and audio output is the same, connected with the aux port of this computer monitor. So let's check it is working your monitor as a smart TV or not. Now we have to start the monitor. Now you can see the Chromecast is now connected and it is display of Chromecast is coming on the monitor. Now we will test the working of the Chromecast by playing some YouTube video from my mobile. So from my mobile I started the cast something on this Chromecast. So you can see now that your computer monitor is completely converted into the smart TV using the help of Chromecast. If your computer monitor not having audio output, then you need to connect your DTS set-top box using some RCA cable. You can see this cable is having one RCA2 aux cable. Using this cable you can connect your home theater or computer speakers by connecting this cable to your DTS set-top box. And audio output will come from this RCA cable to your home theater system, and from HDMI cable video output will come to the computer monitor. In case your computer monitor does not have HDMI port or having the DVI port, you can connect your DTS set-top box to computer monitor using this HDMI to DVI cable, and for audio purpose you can connect your DTS set-top box using RC cable to your home theater or computer speakers. Now I will show you that in case your computer monitor having only VGA port, then how to connect the DTS set-top box or Chromecast to your computer monitor. For this purpose you need this HDMI to VGA adapter. You can easily buy this on the Amazon. It is very cheap price, 400 to 500 rupees you can find on the Amazon. And also you need one HDMI female to female adapter. This is also you can buy on the Amazon in 100 to 200 rupees price. So first you need to connect your Chromecast from this HDMI to HDMI adapter. You can connect like this, and from other end you connect this adapter, HDMI to VGA adapter. Okay, now from this adapter you need to connect the VGA cable. Connect from one side, and another side you can connect your computer monitor. Okay, now for audio purpose, this adapter is also having one audio output port. You can see one audio output is also available in this HDMI to VGA adapter. From this port you can connect your home theater or computer speaker or headphone for the audio purpose. Now I have completed the setup. You can see the VGA cable I have connected this monitor, and this Chromecast is also connected from this HDMI to VGA adapter, and from aux cable of this VGA adapter I have connected my home theater system from there. Now we will test that it is working or not. So you can see the Chromecast is working, display is coming. Now I will play some video. So perfect. Now you can see that your computer monitor is completely converted into smart TV using VGA cable also. So this is very easy. Using this HDMI to VGA adapter you can convert your any monitor, old monitor also, into the smart TV. In case you want to connect your DTS set-top box with the computer monitor, then in this case you need not this HDMI to HDMI female adapter. You can directly plug the HDMI to VGA adapter into the set-top box HDMI port, and another port, another side of VGA cable you can connect to this your computer monitor. So this is very easy. You can also connect your DTS set-top box with the computer monitor, that those are having only VGA ports, and you can convert that monitor as a TV to watch your favorite channels from DTS box to computer monitor. If you want to connect your Chromecast like devices to your computer monitor's HDMI port, and your computer monitor does not have aux port or audio output port, then you need to buy one HDMI to HDMI converter that is also having audio output port. Using audio output of the HDMI to HDMI converter, you can connect your home theater or any external speakers for audio purposes in such cases. Links to all adapters and cable are given in our video description. You can buy from there. This female to female HDMI adapter, HDMI to VGA adapter, aux cable, then RCA to aux cable, and this HDMI to DVI cable if you require, VGA cables. These all links are available on our video description. Visit there and to buy these adapters and cables. Hope you like our today's video, how to make your computer monitor as a TV or even as a smart TV. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you.